Welcome back. We're almost at 9 o'clock. This is Open Exchange, and we are coming to you live from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal studios. Well, we'll start getting the pre-open rates in the next couple of seconds. Before we get to that, let's welcome in our technical experts as well. Mitessh Thakkar as well as Shrikant Chouhan are with us this morning. Gentlemen, happy Friday to both of you. And now the tough questions. Shrikant, what have you been doing in this market? Have you managed to sell these bounces? And what would your approach be today? Because the expectation is we'll start with another big bounce.
Good morning, Survi. I think, one thing is very clear that the market recovered sharply from the important crucial levels. And the recovery was very clearly in terms of if we see the candlestick pattern or technical formation, then it's a reversal pattern. I think markets are heading for minimum 17,250 to 300 levels. And if we see today the market is sustaining above the mark of 17,100, then we can expect market to move towards 17,300. At least at this point of time, we should not be seller. But yes, if we see the market is very close to 17,250, 300, there certainly we should look for taking some short positions.
Mitessh, you were a little circumspect yesterday about the pullback, and that pullback got sold into as well. There is a gap up today. Do you chase it or do you wait again for a better entry point?
Good morning. So yesterday, actually, we were saying that don't short it out. There could be a pullback, though I think we're not sure of a reversal as yet. I think that stance still continues. The idea is that you are in a situation wherein the markets are extremely oversold. They're hitting important support levels, but we hadn't got a signal of reversal on the intraday hourly or the 2-hourly chart. So I think that is where the wait and watch kind of a mode came into play. And that remains the near-term outlook. And basically, I think, while today we get a gap up and we are expecting this markets to possibly rally to about levels of 17,150 to begin with. And in the best case scenario, as Shrikant was highlighting, 17,280, 300 zones is what I'm looking at. I think only beyond that we get some kind of a significant reversal. Till then, it will only be a pullback rally, a rally which will be a throwback from oversold levels. But that's totally fine. I think you can still play with stocks in that kind of situation. Stocks which are reversing from extremely oversold levels give you a good trading opportunity, a good risk reward entry equation for a 3 to 4 day kind of trading positions.
Okay, gentlemen, good morning. Mitessh, in terms of specific trades, what do you have?
So, morning, Prashant. I have all buy calls today. Couple of crude related items again. They've been on the agenda yesterday as well. HPCL is a buy with a stop at 238 for a first target of 255. And Asian Paints, disclaimer, we have some futures positions here. Asian Paints is a buy with a stop below 2865 for a target of around 2955. That apart, Aurobindo Pharma is a buy. I think Nimesh also highlighted the stock yesterday. That's a buy with a stop at 464, targets of 495. And Power Grid, again, disclaimer, it's part of my long-term portfolio. That's a buy with a stop at 228.5 for a trading rally to about 240 levels.
Shrikant, what about you?
Yeah, Prashant, good morning. Bajaj Finserv is certainly looking good. It is forming double bottom sort of formation close to 1250, 1260 levels. From there, it is rebounding. So we can expect 1360, 1370 on the head side. We can keep stop loss somewhere close to 1260. So Bajaj Financial Services is a buy. Also, we like L&T Infotech, which is currently trading around 4,500 levels. There also we are expecting stock to move towards 4750, 4775. And finally, we are expecting some short covering in metal companies. And in that space, we like Tata Steel, which is currently around 105. There we are expecting 110. We can keep stop loss somewhere close to 103.5.
All right, Shrikant and Mitessh, thanks a lot for joining in. Let's also welcome Hemang Jani from Motilal Oswal, as well as Prabal Sen, who's the energy analyst at ICICI Securities, joining in. Thanks a lot, gentlemen, for joining in. Hemang, also thank you for